Hello, everyone. This is, of course, Anita and the Biz Coach. I am coming to you this time sharing my credit repair journey. Yes, I've decided to share some of my journey utilizing this DIY, which is your do it yourself credit optimization. This is a platform that I am working through, and I also am a referral agent for. So, yeah, take a look at this, you all. So, back in a little over a month ago, when I first signed up for this, I let me just go back to my history so you can see what's going on. So, this is my own personal back office to the platform that I pay for each month. All right, only $49. Yeah, I might as well say $50, right? However, my experience has been that when I've worked with other people to do this for me, either they do the work, they do half of the work, I can't get in contact with them, I'm paying all these hundreds of dollars, but now I'm doing this myself and I'm learning the process as I go, right? So today I'm just going to show you a little bit about what's been going on. And I'm excited. Yes, I am. Okay, so let's look at my history here. So when I first started this journey with doing the do-it-yourself credit repair on this platform back in April 26th, as you can see here, these were my scores with the three bureaus. All right. You can view these, it'll break it down. You can, I'm not going to do all of it today, but you can actually view all of your reports here. So if I want to do that, I can. And I'll show you a couple other things that, the platform offers, right? So as you can see, I started out with these scores here. Yeah. So I am a prime candidate for getting my credit score up to 800 or 850 plus, because that's the goal to be able to qualify for business funding and other opportunities, right? For my business and other things that I'm doing. So I started out with a 575 TransUnion, a 580 for Experian, and Equifax, I had a 571. As you can see, as of date, today is actually, I'm recording this on June 7th, 2023. So 3 days ago, looks like I have my updated data on the platform, and these are the scores that they have um, increased to. Yes, awesome. So you can see I am from a 575 to a 594, 580 to a 589, or a 579 to a 580. I'm sorry, a 571 to a 589 for the three bureaus. So yes, I am totally excited about this. Now that information down there at the bottom, that contact information, you can contact them, but I'm gonna tell you now, if you don't already have a program with them, and you can definitely sign up under me. If you're not signed up with them already, they're not going to give you any information. Probably they might share, the program with you or whatever, but you would definitely need to give a referral's name. So of course, Anita Newson, right, is my name. So yeah, this is awesome, right? I mean, I am excited. Any improvement is good. Okay. So that was just for, what is that, a little bit less than 2 months. And I have a lot of stuff going on, y'all, in my in my credit. Right. So this is awesome. I am excited about this. And as you can see up here, there's so many different things that you have access to. I love the tutorials. What I did before I started, I actually looked at all the videos because they were suggest that before you start the process, look at all the videos, understand the process of how to utilize the platform. Do exactly what it tells you to do. Create your dispute letters. Okay. Send them certified mail. I did all of that. You have my receipts for that or what have you. And I start getting letters. You'll start getting letters too in the mail from some of these creditors also. So you definitely want to keep those things. I'm not sure, I can't remember, but I think it may be even somewhere you might be able to upload some of those as well. But you want to keep those handy. Everything you do, you want to keep a record of it and keep it handy so you can refer back to it if need be. Okay. So you have those resources there. Let's see. I don't know if that was there before. Oh, awesome. So you have more videos here on coaching, talking you through some things, how to get started, great credit explained, different scores everywhere, the king of credit, right? You got some different strategies down here you can utilize. You can watch these videos to continue to understand the process and um, yeah, continue to improve your credit. And this is all on personal credit, you all. So if you know anything about credit, whether that's personal or business, in order to qualify for business credit, you have to have your personal credit in line. And that's my goal is to get my personal scores up so I will qualify for lines of credit, for my business credit cards and things of that nature. So that's the path that I am on. Okay. And then you have even more resources here. Okay. So you can download these at your discretion or just read them or what have you and get more information on, like I said again, process. And they're continually adding things all the time. Okay. All right. Yeah. So basically, that's all I wanted to share today. I'm just, like I said, sharing with you all my credit repair, do it myself or do it yourself credit repair journey. As you can see here, I have 37 more days until my next report. So I will be following these instructions here to do another set, my second round of dispute letters. It tells me to send it by the 11th, so I'll probably be doing that in the next couple of days, printing them out, signing it, dating it, going to the post office, sending it certified mail. Okay. So as you can see, I won't get a new report until 37 days, so a little bit over a month. So yeah, I will check back in with you all to let you know how everything is going. Again, I am excited. I am up 19 points on one, 9 points on the other one, and 18 points on my other credit bureau reports. Oh my God, y'all. This is exciting. And so, if you are interested in learning more about how to utilize this program to improve your credit yourself, definitely get in contact with me. I'm sure in wherever I'm putting this, there will be um, a link or an email or something for you to get in contact with me so I can share a little bit more information with you um, and help you, get started on your journey, and we can do this together. Hey, why not? Why not have a partner, quote unquote, in crime, right? So blessings to you all as always. And I look forward to next time as I share in this journey. All right. Y'all stay safe and blessings.